Okay, good day everyone. So I think there are some who commented in my I don't know recent video demo in creating this design. So they are asking if what brush did I use? Is it downloadable? So yeah, you can use this. I can give you this brush, but you can easily create this. No, you just need to follow what setting I'm using. In order for you to create this kind of brush and style, this effect, no, to your brush. So for my brush, I use this shape. So it's a electric pole, no. So and so I use that one. And then, but if you use that brush to your design, this would happen to your brush, no? When you create a stroke, it's a solid brush. It's a solid stroke. So one color siya. It's a one color. So in order for you to have this kind of effect, so you need to what? Go to your brush setting. From your brush setting, so you need to select transfer, no, to make your brush smoother, no, softer. So just retain the opacity to 100, the flow to 93. And then from your transfer options, you need to select your pen pressure to maybe 7% just to give some parang texture, a grainy look. And then after that, you need to select your flow jitter to pen pressure. No? And then we don't want to make the brush retain its position or placement. No, so you need to randomly change the direction of the brush. So you go to the shape dynamics. From shape dynamics, the default of that setting, it would be size jitter is control is off. So you need to select that to pen pressure. So what will happen is the end tail, start tail of your brush stroke would be smaller, getting smaller. Then from that setting, you need to also to change the angle jitter to initial direction. So you can now change the direction when you paint. So it would change the direction of your stroke. So as you can see that the pool, the shape is changing, every time you click or press to your art area or artboard workplace. Okay, so that's how you set it. Then this is just an option, no? So once you select that, you just select brush projection. It's an added ano lang naman yan. Added giving much more parang uh, delete the no. So to your brush. And then if you want to give that grainy or grudge effect, a messy or parang splatter like, you need to select the dual brush. From the dual brush, you can either use the default, this kind of brush, okay, and then you can create that kind of effect. But if you want to create something like this effect, so you can use, or you can just copy or create a brush, something like a splatter effect, like this one. So that would be something like this, similar to this one. So it's a splatter like effect. So no, if I use that as a brush, this would be something like this one. Yeah, that one. Okay, so the first brush would be something like this. Okay, so I hope you got the the process of creating this kind of brush, and you can also use or apply that to your design or digital art. Okay, so I hope you enjoy and learn something, or I hope you got the idea of creating this brush.